guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Eto na nga, TV. Alright, so for today's video, we are going to feature the Air Jordan Reimagined. So this is the Jordan 4 Reimagined. Alright, so this is the box. So same thing with the OGs and the retro Jordan 4. So right now what we have here is the Air Jordan 4 Retro, the reimagined version. So this was launched February of 2024. And as you can see, same thing. Sa box, same thing din. May mga konting differences like the Jumpman logo sa side. So aside or instead of the Jumpman, ayan, makikita nyo, that is the Jordan 4 Reimagined. So ano mapapansin nyo guys? So if you can see, instead of Jordan logo din yung ating hang tag dyan, it's Nike Air, right? And yeah, so you can see instead of the OG Jordan 4 nubuck, so yung parang medyo parang gamusa siya. As you can see, it's pure leather. Alright, so pure leather siya. Wala naman masyado na bago. Aside from the shoe tongue, ayan, na medyo mas makapal at mas malambot. Ayan guys, so for me I think, yan, kung makikita nyo, pati yung swelas, isa lang siya. Yun lang talaga, yung leather ang pinagkaiba. So kung mapapansin nyo guys, dun sa Jordan 4 OG natin na nubuck, medyo parang prone siya sa creases, right? So for me, I think itong leather na reimagined, mas maganda at mas maangas to compare dun sa OG na Jordan 4. Kasi aside from dun sa slick look niya, na parang pwede mo siyang pang formal. Guys, tingnan nyo naman, ang ganda ng pagka-black niya, ang ganda ng pagka-leather niya. Perfect for ano to, pwedeng shoes, pwedeng pants, pwedeng cargo jeans, pwedeng cargo pants, jogger pants or whatnot. Okay na okay ito. Yan guys, tingnan nyo, ang kapal ng shootang niya, malambot. Nag-research din ako and sinabi nga na parang yun din yung isa sa mga newly improved here with the Jordan 4 Reimagined. Pati itong hawak ko medyo, ito sa right side, yung hawak ko dyan, yung part na yan, I don't know what to call it, medyo mas makapal yan. Yan, same thing, Nike Air yung sa likod. Yan, wala naman masyadong nabago. Pero guys, no, kung i-compare nyo siya doon sa OG na Jordan 4, yan, tingnan nyo, ganda rin ng lace niya, same thing, same everything aside from the whole body itself is made up of leather. Ayan, so siguro mamaya pa-check natin yung buong shoes. Kasi gusto ko rin pakita sa inyo how good it is compared dun sa nakasanayin nating nubuck na na Jordan 4. Ayan, so siguro guys, mapapansin nyo medyo malakas lang yung flash ng camera ko, pero talagang ang ganda niya sa personal. Talagang leather na leather talaga. Siguro makompare ko siya sa, mas maganda pa siya sa leather ng Midnight Blue ng Jordan 5. Ayan, sobrang astig. Ganda. Ayan o. I just can't imagine me wearing one of these pairs, naka-jogger, and then wearing just, you know, a plain black or plain white shirt. Ang astig nito guys. Kaya nung nakita ko to last weekend, so I took the opportunity of having one agad-agad. Kasi parang ano siya parang talagang tinawag niya yung attention natin guys. Parang ang ganda niya talaga. Actually, and to be honest, I'm not a fan of Jordan 4, pero iba to. compared dun sa Jordan 4 Military Blue, iba to. Even yan guys, tingnan natin yung ano, even dun sa ano, Jordan 4 True Blue and Motor Blue, iba to. Iba to, I can say iba to. Especially na black siya, so alam naman natin na bagay siya sa lahat, no? So yeah, as you can see yan, again, I would like to emphasize yung shootang niya. Siya. Kung makapansin nyo aking mga mini Jordans, so that's mini Jordan 6 yata. Yes, I have 2. Yan, go ahead and take a look at the sole. Yan din. So, natatawa ko habang pinapakita ko yan. Ang napapansin ko yung mini Jordan 4 ko sa mini Jordan 6 ko sa likod. Yan guys, so kita nyo naman, di ba? Almost the same. Diba? So, what else can I say? It's a good buy. Right? So, guys, if you're going to order this is $210 to $215 as it was released February 2024. And again, if hindi ka pa subscribe sa channel natin, feel free to subscribe. Ito na nga TV. And we'll try to feature more. Alright? Amazing. See you guys.